Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best USB male-to-female extender is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable accessories in our digital lives, allowing us to bridge the gap between our devices and peripherals with unparalleled ease and flexibility, ensuring that no matter how far apart your computer or console is from your keyboard, mouse, or external hard drive, you can maintain a seamless and uninterrupted connection, making it an essential tool for gamers, professionals, and everyday users alike who demand convenience and reliability in their tech setups. Number 5. AINOPE USB 3.0 Extension Cable 10 feet. Enjoy the freedom of a 10-foot cable. Easily use your devices from the sofa, extend your reach for gaming, or even connect your surveillance camera. It's the perfect length for a more convenient life. Built to last, this cable features a reinforced SR joint tested for over 20,000 bends. Its braided nylon exterior and included sticky buckles ensure durability and prevent tangles. Experience a premium feel with its all-metal shell and aluminum alloy connector. Multiple layers of shielding and gold-plated contacts ensure a clear signal and long-lasting performance. Get the best of both worlds with fast charging up to 2A and data transfer speeds 10 times faster than USB 2.0. It's also backward compatible with older USB devices. We stand by our product. If you have any questions, our customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. Enjoy your purchase with confidence. What we like. This one offers an exceptional 10-foot length, perfect for gaming or relaxing while charging. Its reinforced SR joint and all-metal connector ensure extreme durability and a premium feel. If you need maximum reach and a cable built to last, this is the one to consider. What people say. This adapter is perfect for connecting my USB devices to my laptop. It allows me to extend the reach of my USB ports, which is very convenient. The build quality is solid and it feels durable. Number 4. ITANDA 6-foot USB 3.0 extension cable. Tired of short cables limiting your setup? This 6-foot USB extension cable gives you the freedom to connect your devices from anywhere in the room. Experience lightning-fast data transfers up to 5 gigabits per second, perfect for backing up large files in seconds. It's 10 times faster than older USB versions. Constructed with a durable nylon braided jacket and reinforced connectors, this cable is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. Avoid damaging your device's USB ports from frequent plugging and unplugging. This extender provides a reliable solution for long-lasting performance. Enjoy universal compatibility with a wide range of devices, including game consoles, keyboards, cameras, and more. It works seamlessly with both USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 peripherals. What we like. With a practical 6-foot length, this cable is ideal for everyday use in your home or office. It boasts a 5 gigabits per second high-speed transfer rate for quick file backups and fast charging. If you're looking for a reliable, faster connection for your peripherals without excessive length, this is a great choice. What people say. The USB male-to-female adapter is a great solution for extending the reach of your USB devices. It allows you to connect devices like keyboards, mice, and external hard drives from a distance. The adapter supports high-speed data transfer, ensuring quick and efficient file sharing. Number 3. JSAUX 2-pack 10-foot USB 3.0 extension cable. Tired of reaching behind your devices? Our extension cable lets you connect your USB peripherals from a more convenient spot. It also helps protect your device's original ports by reducing wear and tear from frequent plugging and unplugging. This cable offers universal compatibility, working seamlessly with your computer and a wide range of USB devices. Connect everything from gaming consoles and printers to flash drives and keyboards without any issues. Experience lightning-fast data transfer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. That's 10 times faster than USB 2.0, ensuring smooth and efficient data transmission for all your needs. It's also backward compatible with older USB standards. Crafted with high-quality materials, including corrosion-resistant gold-plated connectors, this cable ensures optimal signal clarity and durability. Its robust construction is designed to withstand daily use. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with an 18-month warranty and dedicated customer support. We're here to help resolve any issues quickly. What we like. This pack provides two 10-feet cables, offering great value and the ability to extend multiple devices. It's designed to protect your original device ports from wear and tear. If you need extended reach for 2 setups or want the peace of mind of a long warranty, this dual pack is an excellent option. What people say. The adapter is well built and feels durable. It supports fast data transfer speeds, which is great for large files. The compact design makes it easy to carry around. Number 2. HIEbee USB 3.0 Adapter Kit. Introducing the HIEbee USB 3.0 Adapter Kit, a versatile solution for all your connectivity needs. This kit includes 3 essential adapters to make data transfer seamless. Experience lightning-fast data communication and file transfers. These adapters simplify connecting your computer to various equipment, ensuring efficiency. This adapter converts a USB 3.0 female cable connector into a male connector. It's perfect for extending or connecting existing USB 3.0 cables. Need to extend your USB cable? This coupler allows you to join 2 USB 3.0 cables together, increasing your reach effortlessly. Extend your USB ports and protect your computer's original ports from wear and tear. It's also ideal for combining 2 shorter USB cables. The package includes 1 male-to-female, 1 male-to-male, and 1 female-to-female USB 3.0 adapter. Get everything you need in one convenient set. What we like. This kit offers a unique solution with 3 different USB 3.0 adapters, male-to-female, male-to-male, and female-to-female. It's perfect for extending existing cables or converting port types. If you frequently deal with various USB connections and need flexibility, this adapter kit is incredibly useful. What people say. This adapter is great for extending the reach of your USB devices. It supports high-speed data transfer, so you won't experience any lag. The build quality is solid and it feels durable. Number 1. Amazon Basics USB 2.0 Extension Cable. Introducing the Amazon Basics USB 2.0 Extension Cable. This 6.5-foot cable offers dynamic usability, extending your connection to computers and other peripherals. Experience fast data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. It ensures your devices perform at their best with minimal loss of bandwidth. It features gold-plated connectors designed for optimal signal clarity. These corrosion-resistant connectors help minimize interference for a reliable connection. Enjoy a crystal-clear signal thanks to superior shielding. This protection guards against electromagnetic and radio frequency interference, ensuring high performance. Using it is easy. Simply plug the male connector into your computer and the female connector into the cable you need to extend. Always check your device manuals to ensure compatibility. This product comes in certified frustration-free packaging, making it easy to open and start using right away. What we like. This cable provides a 6.5-foot extension with reliable USB 2.0 speeds, ideal for basic peripherals. Its gold-plated connectors ensure a clear signal with minimal interference. If you primarily need to extend the reach for devices like keyboards or mice and don't require USB 3.0 speeds, this is a straightforward and effective solution. What people say. The adapter is well built and feels durable. It allows for easy connection of USB devices to my laptop. The transfer speeds are as advertised, providing a reliable connection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.